welcome. Thank you for joining us. So tell me about this wonderful little thing.
This is called Kitoko, and it's Age Prevent Scalp Tonic for aging, thinning, fragile hair. It doesn't mean it's just for us of a certain age. It could be for someone young with thinning hair or fragile hair, delicate hair. So it's a leave-in product. You shampoo your hair, you towel dry, you apply with the nozzle provided and run it along your scalp, squeezing very gently so that you're not overloading your scalp with the product. Massage in, comb through and style as normal.
That's normal.
Yeah.
Could you use that every day?
Yeah, you must use it every day. Yes, I'd like
I
you
want
to
to
try
try this
some.
now.
Just squeeze gently.
Oh, it's kind of watery, isn't it?
Yes, and it, because of the lightweight consistency, it absorbs very quickly.
And
So
it smells divine.
Yeah.
And there's actually no residue, no sticky residue whatsoever. That's incredible. That I understand now that it's almost like a moisturizer for your face, because you need to put that on to have a nice healthy environment on the scalp.
Yes.
So how does that help to thicken the hair and strengthen the hair?
One of the ingredients is microalgae.
Ah, right.
And microalgae strengthens and thickens the hair, prevents thinning and hair loss. Antioxidants of green tea, fire tulip, vitamins A and vitamin E. All of that nourishes and rejuvenates the hair.
So actually it is scalp food.
Yes, exactly.
Nutrients for the scalp.
This particular product is also colour safe.
This is the Neal's Yard Rose. Hope you can see that there. This is their rose toner. It's a very traditional type of toner. It's not all singing and all dancing. It's very, very high in alcohol. The alcohol content comes...
Just get my glass.
Yeah, literally pour it in, honey. It's denatured alcohol, so of course it would taste disgusting. That's why they denature it, so we don't drink it. So it's water first and then the alcohol. They have balanced it out with glycerine, which, as you know, is a humectant, which draws the moisture into the top layers of the skin. It smells lovely, because it would do. It's got the damask rose oil in it, which is great for dry skin, sensitive skin, etc. But the only thing is, it worries me a little bit with the high alcohol content. As you know, there's a massive debate going on in the beauty industry regarding alcohols. There is the denatured one, which this is, and then you have your fatty alcohols, which are less harsh and a lot better. I personally love toners. Number one, it double checks your cleanse. So you cleanse your skin, use your toner, go over, and it just picks up any small amounts of residue that you haven't removed correctly. Now, number two, we now have the new age toners, new generation toners, with all sorts of clever things like acids in them, which do various things for the skin, depending which acid you're using. I'm going to show you one of those in a minute, and we will go into that in further detail in another video. Also, toners impart moisture to the skin, so your skin is still lovely and damp, which allows you then to get your serum on and then your moisturiser on. It's a lot easier for absorption.
So it prepares your skin.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So that's it. While we're here, I'm going to give you a little smell of this, because actually it does smell divine. Smell that. Damask rose is lovely. And in all fairness, it does have the aloe vera. So they have tried to balance it up. One thing I do like about Neal's Yard is their blue glass bottles. And they do this to protect the integrity of the ingredients from ultraviolet light, which is your daylight and your sun.
So I have here CELLUCOVERY Scalp Tonic by Salon Science for anti-aging and restored volume.
Ooh, we like this.
It's formulated with Swiss apple, a fruit rich in phytonutrients and proteins.
Ooh,
so this helps to delay biological aging of the hair follicles, and it's a volumizing scalp treatment that helps stimulate and nourish the scalp.
Swiss apple, I'm just going to cut in here while it's in my menopausal brain. Swiss apple is a fantastic ingredient, and we actually use it in beauty therapy too. Very potent, very powerful.
So this strengthens the hair follicles, resulting in obviously stronger, healthier, thicker hair. It's recommended for use for 8 weeks. It's applied on dry or towel dried hair and use 2 full pipettes on and around the scalp and massage in to stimulate microcirculation and leave in. Style as normal.
That looks a bit thicker, Shilpa.
Yeah, it's more like a serum.
So would they use caffeine in this?
Yes, so caffeine is the ingredient that will stimulate hair growth and promote healthier hair growth, prevents hair loss. Hydrolyzed wheat protein conditions and repairs damaged hair, and seaweed extract, which is the antioxidant. So that moisturizes, and it's a humectant.
So again, the same as your Kitoko.
Yes.
All about nourishing the scalp.
Yes, yes.
So which is your favourite out of these two?
Kitoko.
I think this might be my favourite too,
It's
personally,
really,
for just personal use.
I like the consistency.
Yeah.
It's just like water, so you just
pop it on.
Oh, one tip: don't use it on very wet hair because it will dilute.
Dilute it, of course.
So,
yeah. Good tip.
What do you have?
So,
do you have something else?
I
for
do,
us?
and I must say, I kind of love this product. It's Pixi Glow, and hopefully you can see that there. This is lovely. It's got 5% glycolic acid in it. Glycolic acid is the most researched of all the AHAs. So very, very good research on this, well documented, safe. It exfoliates the skin because it's glycolic acid. But it also, so when you exfoliate skin, obviously you're removing the dead skin cell, and it's very, very moisturising. So glycolic acid actually moisturises. And it's got our favourite aloe vera. Aloe vera. Yep, it's got that in it too. Alcohol free, and it's suitable for all skin types. And when you use this, you really do see the glow. It really is a glow enhancer. Now with this, Shilpa, you definitely put it onto a damp pad of cotton wool. Now be a little bit careful because it is acid. So start at your forehead, work around these little lines here. Please feel free to come down, but not too close to the eye, under the eye and down onto the neck and the décolleté. Now because it's glycolic acid, nice exfoliating effect, I flip my pad over because I like to get my money's worth, and then I go over the face all again and right down, and I start putting it all over the décolleté until I know it's absorbed it all, and that's a great way of doing it. It doesn't really sting. Sometimes you might get a slight tingle, but what you do have to do is be very careful around the eye area, and if you're going to come across the lip, just be careful it doesn't go up the nose into the soft mucous membrane. If you're using any acids on your skin, even though this is very gentle, you must wear an SPF during the day if you use this in the morning. We should all be using SPFs every day anyway. You can use this AM and PM. If you feel your skin is particularly sensitive, just try it once at AM or PM. If you're okay with that, please feel free to use it twice a day. And if you're a little bit sensitive, do it once a day, but always SPF if you use this AM. So it's got the usual suspects, the glycerine, horse chestnut, aloe vera, ginseng, and of course, glycolic acid. So that's
which one do you prefer of the two?
Well, out of the two, I prefer the Pixi because this has no alcohol in it and extremely effective. And I do love the Neal's Yard, but it's just the very high alcohol. So these are just two examples of toners for the skin. Well, I would love to hear what you use and what works for you in the comments below. That would be really interesting.
So please remember to like us on Facebook and Instagram, share us with your friends and family, and
ring that bell and subscribe. Thank you for joining us today. See you soon. Bye-bye.